Hello and welcome to another fantastic day in the garden, and today we're going to be discussing something we bought from China that's surprisingly, and I may emphasise this point, surprisingly not as described.
Right, so we've got two plants. We bought some beetroot and they're being looked after with no beetroot. That's a bit of a disappointment. And these
These were from the same supplier, weren't they? We're not going to tell you who the supplier is because we don't do that kind of stuff, but
these are supposed to be these rainbow chrysanthemums, but it's like lettuce.
So these were seeds we bought from China that were advertised and then packets. We've looked after them, and as you can see, they haven't quite turned out, have they?
We've got lettuce. I think we've got lettuce. I'm not sure quite what it looks like lettuce.
Lettuce, yeah.
Like I say, beetroot with no beetroot.
Yeah, they were planted up.
So another quality product from China.
My advice is, the lovely people they are, you might not get the seeds you ordered.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying. So, hope
Buyer
yourself,
beware.
yeah. Was it caveat emptor?